TikTok ran into a little issue because of my budget and how much my sponsor has set aside for my creative funds. The Seymour Duncans were a no-go. He did, however, put these nice other pickups in here. They are Hot Rails. I'm not sure which brand, but these were under 200, as where the Seymour Duncans were about 350 or 360 or something like that. So with that money that I set aside, that I had saved, I have a Mocatelli that I'm going to be getting in a few weeks, and I'm going to start a build on that. All in all, he said if I don't like these pickups, then he can just go ahead and swap them for Seymour Duncans, but I'm running low on my budget funds. Mind you, I'm not paying for any of these instruments, man. It's all being handed to me by our sponsors. But all in all, let me know how you think this thing sounds, man. We're going to plug it in right now, and you tell me how you think this thing sounds.